This problem is all about finding the real values of x for which log x base 5 is equal to 8 times log 5 base x plus 2. Now for us to do this job, now I'll give you some minutes where you can pause and solve it and send your results at the comment section. Now let's begin. For me to do this, now this is equal to log x base 5 is equal to, now we're going to use these laws of logarithm where log a base b is equal to log a base c all over divided by log b base c. So we're going to use these laws of logarithm. Now we're going to apply it to this, to the logarithm at the right hand side. So we're going to say x 8 times log 5 base 5 divided by log x base 5 plus 2. Now there is another rule of logarithm where log of any number to the base of that same number is equal to 1. So we're going to apply that rule here. Now we now have log x base 5 is equal to 8 times log 5 base 5 divided by log x base 5 plus 2. Now, see, applying that rule here now, this is 1. So we now have log x base 5 is equal to 8 times 1 divided by log x base 5 plus 2. So this will give us log x base 5 equal to 8 divided by log x base 5 plus 2. Now if you look at this, now you see this term here and this term is the same thing. This value here, this log term here and this log term here is the same. So we can now say let log x base 5 be equal to y. Now substituting y into that equation for log x base 5, so you now have y is equal to 8 divided by y plus 2. Now multiplying both sides by y, you now have y times y is equal to 8 all over y times y plus 2 times y. Now you will now have y squared is equal to 8 plus 2y. So now moving this whole term on the left hand side to this other side, the sign here will change to negative. So you have y squared, this moving this one to this side and also this to this other side, they will not all turn to negative. This one will not be minus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. Now factorizing this. Now let me use the fast method of factorization. Now here, this is y squared, so y squared, y squared. Now, what are the factors of 8? Now when you sum them, it will give you 2. The factors of 8 that when you sum them will give you 2 is minus 4 plus 2. So now means you have y minus 4 is equal to 0, or y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we now have y minus 4 equal to 0, or y plus 2 is equal to 0. Meaning, you move this to this other side, it becomes y equal to 4. You move this to this other side, it becomes y is equal to minus 2. Now, since log x base 5 is equal to y, then log x base 5 is equal to 4, or log x base 5 is equal to minus 2. Now, solving this, you now have, now, logarithm is equal to exponential. It's simple as exponential. Now, the logarithm is simple as power. Now, the log of x to base 5 is just saying, now the log of x to base 5 is 4, meaning 5 exponential, which is 4, or power, is equal to this x. So that is meaning that the log is a power. The log of x to the base of that number is a power, or the exponential. While, so this is the expression. Now the same applicable to this. So now you have 5 raised to power minus 2 is equal to x. So this will give you x is equal to 625, or x is equal to this value, applying the expression where you say a raised to power minus n is equal to 1 all over a raised to power n. Now, applying that expression, you now have 1 all over 5 raised to power 2, which is 1 all over 25. So x is equal to 1 all over 25, or 625. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and also do well to share the videos. Thank you.